jetty opposite old GMC, and I have also received a letter from the Honorable MLA, Mr. Munsarat. I have telephonically told him that this jetty, so-called jetty, he does not belong directly to Captain of Ports. It was earlier constructed by R&D when there was no ferry boats like the present ferry which comes on the ramp. आधी ते पातमार कशे आसले म्हणजे ते लोक वचोन आपले मोटरसायकली व्हरोंक मेळनासले म्हणजे तुमी भितर वचप ते जेटी वयरसून भितर वचप आनी ती ह्या सायडीनसून ते सायडीन व्हरोन तांकां पावयताले. दॅट इज एट दिवारूय तसली एक जेटी आहा आदली. ती R&Dन बांदलेली रिवर नॅव्हिगेशन डिपार्टमेंट. सो परमिशन for repairs of this jetty has been issued by R&D itself, and it has been given to a private contractor अशें हांव आयकता. But I have already instructed captain of port, who is also the captain of R&D, to put up the file before me, because any commercial activity थिंगासर करपाक आमचे objection, आमचे NOC लागता. And if we have earlier issued any NOC, I have not issued any NOC, but if we have earlier issued, we will look into that, examine it, and if those people from that village, from that ward, Corporation of City Club, from that ward are objecting towards it, I will see that if at all NOC is issued for commercial purpose, for touch and go or docking of that ferry, because थिंगासर कितें आहा, that's a narrow road over there, आनी ट्युरिस्ट बसी येवन थिंगा लागतल्यो आनी बसी थिंगाच रावता, तिका पॅसेंजराक देंवयता आनी थिंगाच रावप मागीर तांकां पोत्तून हाडीसर. सो दॅट इज अ नॅरो रोड टू गो टू ओल्ड गोवा, एंड व्हेकल्स कॅनॉट बी पार्क्ड ऑन दॅट रोड, आनी थिंगा आनीक पार्किंग फॅसिलिटी ना. सो इट वील बिकम अ ट्रॅफिक कंजेशन ऑन दॅट एरिया. सो आय वील सी दॅट इफ एट ऑल NOC इज बींग इश्यूड, I will see that we will revoke it by issuing proper. We will do proper inspection, we'll issue a show cause, and then we'll revoke it, because we do not want that this particular jetty opposite old GMC at Ribandar to be used for commercial purposes. म्हाका तूं पर्सनली विचारशी जाल्यार I am against that. So आता R&Dन जो तर दिला, I will also talk to the minister concerned, that is Milind Bab, and I will impress him that थिंगासर तसो एक्टिविटी उपकारना. खंय कमर्शियल एक्टिविटी करूंक जाता थिंगा कमर्शियल एक्टिविटी करपाकूच जाय. दॅट इज फायनली बिजनस वीच हॅज टू बी जनरेटेड, इनकम हॅज टू बी जनरेटेड, एंड locals have to be supported as far as business is concerned, but not anywhere and everywhere. So हो जागो सारको ना ताका.